Every mafia needs a connector. And in the PayPal Mafia, that was Reid Hoffman. While Elon Musk dreamed of Mars and Peter Thiel plotted strategies, Hoffman's gift was people. Inside PayPal, he was the steady voice, the bridge between vision and execution. But his real power came after the eBay deal in 2002. Instead of fading away, Hoffman launched LinkedIn, a radical idea at the time. A digital network, not for friends, but for careers. It grew into the backbone of modern business, connecting hundreds of millions worldwide. And behind the scenes, Hoffman invested in Facebook, Airbnb, and dozens of other startups, always playing the role of connector. Reid Hoffman may not be the loudest member of the PayPal Mafia, but without him, the empire wouldn't be complete. He was the bridge, the mentor, the connector, the man who turned networks into empires.